What are you making today, Musa?
The best sponge cake. So, flour.
How much flour do we need? 1 cup of flour. We're using cake flour, right? Okay, so 1 cup of flour. What else do we need?
Egg.
How many eggs? 4 eggs.
Bread.
What is this?
Sugar.
How much sugar? 1 cup of sugar. What is that?
Melted butter.
Yes, 1/3 cup of melted butter. 1 teaspoon of baking powder.
Baking powder.
And what is that?
Vanilla.
Yeah, we need 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. What are you doing? And we need 1/3 cup of milk. Okay, so we separated the eggs. So these are 4 egg whites. Now you're going to start beating the egg whites, right? You want to switch on your machine? Yeah.
Put the
Sugar. You're going to add a little bit sugar in your egg whites. Yeah, go ahead. More. A little bit more. More. Okay, that's good. Now start beating. How is it, your egg whites? It looks pretty good. Okay, it needs to make peaks like that. Look at that. And that's how your cake will be super soft, right? So Musa, you were beating for how long? 5 minutes? Yeah, okay. Okay, what are we doing now, Musa?
putting the egg.
You wanna add the eggs?
Yeah.
Yeah, the egg yolks actually, right?
There you go.
Yeah, you can add all of them.
Thanks. Thank you.
And then add the vanilla.
Vanilla.
Make sure you get all of it. Now start beating. Okay, now what are you gonna add, Musa?
The butter.
Melted butter, okay.
This. It looks like oil. It looks like oil.
Okay, you can beat it.
What?
Beat. Okay, Musa, what are you adding? Milk. Okay, add milk.
Okay.
You can use the spatula, you don't need the mixer now. Mix everything.
Okay. Spatula. Oh.
Okay, now you're going to fold in the flour, okay? So we are going to add a little bit. Okay, fold it in. And this is the baking powder. Fold it in. Musa, like this. Round. Yes, fold it in. Okay, let's add more flour. Fold it in.
Baba. Hey, Baba.
Yeah.
Hey, Baba.
Fold it in.
Hey, Baba.
And the rest of the flour. Fold it in. What is Hadi doing? Let's see, where is Hadi? Hello, Hadi.
How do you want to cook?
He wants to cook today. He doesn't want to help you baking.
Yeah, he want to help me.
You don't want to help Musa bake today? What are you doing? Let's see. Look at Hadi. Are you going to clean the house, Hadi? Are you going to start cleaning?
Okay, the batter's ready, so we're gonna put the
Okay.
paper in.
Okay, go ahead.
I did it!
Do it properly.
Oh,
It's crooked.
what?
Crooked.
Crooked? What's
Crooked. Crooked.
What's crooked?
Now it's better. Okay, let's now pour the batter into the pan.
Okay.
I'm going to help you pour the batter in here, okay?
My turn.
This is heavy for you to hold.
What? I didn't know it.
Okay, there you go.
Then Japanese. Drop it.
Now what are we going to do? We're going to put it in the oven for how long?
Let's see.
45 minutes
45 minutes.
on 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, Musa?
Okay.
All right, put it in the oven, please.
Okay. So, guys, this cake is ready.
Cake is ready. You want to take it out now?
Huh?
You want to take it out? Okay, go ahead.
I'm excited for this
Are
cake.
you? Okay, let's cut it, okay? Let's cut it from the middle and see how it is from inside. Can you see, guys?
Yes.
The sponge
It's hot.
is still warm.
But can you make it? Does it look like a garlic? So the sponge cake is ready.
And who joined you today?
Duh.
Nadal, where is Hadi? He's taking a nap?
Yeah.
Okay, you guys want to try the cake?
Okay, which one you want?
Oh, you want to show how spongy it is?
Thanks for watching my video.
All right, see you next time.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye. Like that.